as if someone...
Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be sharing with you my reset routine after I travel. If you've ever traveled before, you definitely can relate to craving a reset after overindulging, and for me, I really just could not wait to actually just get back into a routine. I am having some yummy burgers and fries. I love to indulge in airport food, I'm not gonna lie, because I feel like if when I know I get back home, I need to just reset my whole body.
You show up at my door with some coffee and croissants. Went to my favorite store, cause you could tell it's what I want. I can't imagine more. It's been a dream and far beyond. Well, so then what am I so nervous for? Cause when it's good, just really good, then it should be too good. I know that there must be a catch, just waiting around for the record to scratch. But then you go again when you say I dream about you daily, and your face, it's a painting in the Louvre, baby. All your words like the screenplay in a movie storyline, but I get scared till I say yeah, definitely, baby. Almost as if someone's writing a screenplay to my life, dressing it up for fun. All of the main characters.
Got home so late, it was like 2 a.m. by the time I finally opened my front door. I was so exhausted, I could not wait to just take a shower, which I did, but I was too tired to like film anything for you guys. But I took a really good shower and just got into my bed. I got back on a Saturday, so today is the Sunday, and the first thing I decided to do was unpack my suitcase. When I was a lot younger, I would actually leave my suitcase for such a long time, but because it was a Sunday, I had nothing to do and I decided to just get to it. I didn't want it to pile up and it was just giving me the ick to just leave my clothes like that, so I decided to unpack everything, wash my clothes, honestly just get this very big task out of the way, because I knew that the longer I left it, the longer I would take to deal with it. So it's best to just tackle it. I know it will seem difficult, I know you wouldn't want to do it, but once you get a good rest in, once you get a good shower in, then you can definitely unpack your suitcase and you would not have to think about it again.
Days all covered in sun, and I am glowing from inside. I really can't believe that's what you've done. Cause when it's good, just really good, then it should be too good. I know that there must be a catch, just waiting around for the record to scratch. But then you go again when you say I dream about you daily.
One thing that I did was put all of my dirty clothes, all the clothes that I used, I put it in the zipper pocket like this, and that helped me so much because I knew every single thing in here was dirty and I had to wash it. Next time I think I might get a dirty clothes bag or a laundry bag or something like that, but honestly this worked quite fine for me. And yeah, as soon as I unzipped it, I just emptied everything out and put it in the wash. Guys, oh my goodness, look at Coco in my suitcase. She jumped in there. If you know that cats love boxes, they love to jump in things. So I just wanted to leave this little clip in because I love her so much and I really did miss her so much for the week that I was gone. Fun fact, I never traveled since I got Coco, so it has been such a learning experience, but I was so happy to be back with her and she obviously was happy to see me. When you're finished with your suitcase, don't forget to take off the tags, like any of the airline tags, suitcase tags, or just name tags, anything like that. Be sure to just go ahead and take those out, so next time you're using your suitcase, it will be ready to go. Once everything was in the laundry, I decided to go and get my hair done ASAP. My hair was completely damaged from the humidity as well as from water slides. My hair was honestly feeling incredibly awful, like I can't even describe. So I just could not wait to have it professionally washed and blow dried, and it really made me feel so good after. I will show you how it looks when I'm finished, but first we need to go get some food because I am actually so hungry and my fridge was empty. I made sure not to have any food in it when I left because I didn't want anything to spoil, so I decided to go for a really delicious rice bowl, lots of vegetables, lots of good things. I also did stop at the grocery because obviously I would have needed food for dinner and the rest of the week, so I got some vegetables and I will show you a little haul.
I say I love you, will you say it to me too? Oh God, please don't misconstrue. You say to me, this is all you. You say, I dream about you daily, and your face, it's a painting in the Louvre, baby. All yours, like the screenplay in a movie storyline. But I get scared to always say, you're definitely maybe.
So I am back home now, and this is how my hair looks after my blow dry. I just did it straight. My hair has also gotten really long. You guys remember when I chopped off my hair and it was like literally on my shoulders? But it looks so good, it looks so healthy. It made me feel so much more confident, because you know when your hair is just like really dry and crispy and just not good, it doesn't make you feel good. And of course the next day is Monday, so I had to go to work, so I feel really put together and I'm so happy I did it. Okay, so now let's get on to my little market grocery haul. Fresh produce. I stocked up on lettuce, eggplant, garlic, ginger, celery sticks, as well as avocado, tomatoes, onion, cucumbers. So yum, just very healthy things that I just wanted to make a really good salad later in the night and just have that. So this was what was in my rice bowl. I got shrimp and tons of vegetables. It made me feel so full and really good after I ate this. Like I just really needed a reset from like fast food. Like yes, this is store-bought food, but it's definitely a lot healthier than something like greasy or something like that. And Bridgerton just came out, so I needed to catch up on that. This was my realistic, productive day after travel, getting my life back together. I'm so tired now, so I'm definitely gonna go take a nap. My cat Lola, she has the idea. She's already ready to sleep, so I'm just gonna go ahead and watch Bridgerton and catch up on my sleep. Thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.